Imagine speaking a new language fluently in just 30 days. Sounds impossible? Think again. Today, I'll walk you through proven techniques that can help you master any language in just 1 month. Hi, I'm Isak, and in this video, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to learning any language quickly and effectively. Whether you're aiming for travel, career growth, or just personal enrichment, this guide is for you. First things first, clarity is key. Define what fluency means for you. Is it holding a conversation, understanding movies, or writing emails? Break it down into small, achievable milestones. Next, immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with it. Listen to music, watch shows, and read articles. The more you expose your brain, the faster it adapts. Also, use language learning apps and tools that offer interactive practice. The key is consistency and variety. Now, let's focus on speaking. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Practice speaking every single day, even if it's just talking to yourself or using language exchange platforms. The more you speak, the more confident you become. To retain vocabulary, use memory techniques like spaced repetition and flashcards. Connect new words with images or stories. The more engaging and personal the memory, the easier it is to recall. Language is more than words. It's culture. Engage with the culture, cook recipes, join online communities, and participate in cultural events. This makes learning fun and keeps you motivated. By combining all these techniques, you're not just learning a language, you're unlocking a new world. Remember, consistency and immersion are your best friends. So, are you ready to start your 30-day language journey? Let's do it. Comment below with the language you want to learn, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tips.